Hello everyone, this is Cathy from Durmapress. Let me show you our machine details. Please look at here. This is our machine ball screw. It can make the sheets loading more convenient. Look at here. This is our design. Its function is to protect the dust cover. When we using machine, the sparks are inevitable, and this design can protect our dust cover very well. Hello boss, this is the important part. Let me show you our laser source. We use the best Chinese brand Max, original purchase, and you can scan the QR code to check. Let me show you. Today's introduction is finished. What else do you want to know? Welcome to follow our channel.